Hello, good morning. Today, I just like to show you how I fix the razor that I replaced the battery last year. The power button doesn't work, and I keep when I press my finger hardly into the this area right here, then it worked. So although I bought a new one, but I still like to use the old one. This is for a spare part, spare one. The battery I replaced last year worked very good. Um, Last for 7 days. So I use this one on a week vacation without bringing the charger. This model is a 7310XL. So I'm using it every day. I love it. So before you do that, you unscrew these screw using the T6 screw bit, right? These screw are the same. I found out all the screw are the same length. Then you remove these two screws. Then hold your fingers on this side and then push it down. Push it down. Right? Push it down this side right here. Then you remove this piece right here. You see these anchor area, right? Take this one out, and then you easily move this one out. Do not force them. Once you remove that one, I want to take this piece out without removing the battery. Last year, if you want to remove the battery, unscrew these three screws right here, and you can take this piece out without touching this area right here. Then you can take out the old battery. You need to solder. Take out the old battery. Unsolder the battery terminal and then put it back. I make 4 pieces of this piece of plastic thick enough so I can jam into this area right here. You can see that I'm using the box right here, right, for the plastic thick enough so I can jam into this area. You can see that I jam into the area, and then this one right here, and then the other side. Sometimes you can use a screwdriver, the flat one, but it may damage the thing. So all right, then you can easily take it out. Right, you saw me doing it. So what I did is I use the same material. I make a couple pieces of circle right here, right? You can see that. I make 3 of them. I put it inside. I tried 2 first. 2 that didn't work that good. I make 3 so that this area right here. I had this razor for 7 or 8 years. So this piece right here probably wears out. So that's why, you know, I put these 3 pieces. I make a circle right there. You can see that, right? Right here. I make 3 of them. I put it right here. The area. All right. So you can see that the finger mark right there. I'm using my finger press very hard so that I can turn this one on. But I could have fixed this one a while ago. I use this method temporarily until no longer working. All right, so let me put it back. Here, click right there. Right. So now if you want to seize, let me show you, remove the battery. If you want to replace the battery. Unscrew these 3 screws. Then you can export to the internal components, the battery, the motor, right, take it out. All screws are the same. So you can see that here's the battery, the motor. Now you can remove the battery, right? And you can replace the battery. But I did it last year, so you know. I also clean a little bit the terminal, you know, this the butt of the terminal right here, right? Yeah, okay, it's working. Put it back. I don't know if you see the battery. Yeah, that battery I replaced it last year. Right. Motor a little bit rust, so there's sign of water getting in. Again, I had this one for many years. So anyway, so I put it back. Not too tight when you fasten these screw, you know, not too tight because these are plastic. That's how you take out the battery. All right. Now you can see that everything sits nice and secure, right? Right. Try it again before I put everything back. It works. Put this one back, right? This side right here. First. Right. Like that. Okay, this side right here. All right, then this one right here, right, you have put the bottom one first. Make a mistake. Some reason this one is not sitting securely. All right. I need to, you need to place this bottom one first, and then the top one. Right, that's my mistake. Now everything nice and secure. All right, test it out. Don't force it. This plastic. The bottom one first. And then these two screws. Wow. Then the top one. All right, take a look at it first. Everything nice. look very nice. All right, this one right here. Wow. All right, let me show you one more trick. How do I keep this one last that long? Before I use it, I make sure that I have some water in here. So water help me help the razor lubricant, so it will not wear out the head. So that's why it lasts that long. Yeah. So before you use it, make sure that you put a little bit of water here, rinse it, make it wet so that you can use it. I'm using this one every day, so I don't know, I love it. You know, this one is very good. Thank you for watching. Here's a new one. Bought the new one, but you know, the new one's good, but not as strong as the old one. I like the old one, this one. Again, okay, this is the Philips 7310 XL. Many years. Thank you for watching.